The Airbus A380 holds the title of the largest passenger aircraft in the world. Introduced in 2007 and still in operation today, this massive plane weighs an astounding 575 tons when fully loaded. To put that into perspective, that's roughly equivalent to 33 blue whales, or about 9,500 average humans. But how does something that heavy lift off the ground and take to the skies? The answer lies in a combination of speed, aerodynamics, and powerful engines. Let's break it down, starting with one of the most critical phases of flight: takeoff. Here we have an A380 preparing for departure. At the beginning of takeoff, the aircraft starts from a standstill and gradually gains speed. If we freeze this moment in time, we can identify all the forces acting on the plane. Thrust. The engines generate thrust, propelling the aircraft forward. Drag. As the plane moves, air resistance pushes back against it, opposing the forward motion. Gravity. The weight of the aircraft pulls it downward toward the earth. Lift. At this stage, the wings begin producing some lift, but not enough to overcome gravity just yet. The aircraft continues accelerating until it reaches its designated takeoff speed, about 315 kilometers an hour, similar to the top speed of a Formula One race car. At this point, the pilot pulls back on the control stick, adjusting the rear flaps to direct air upward. This action pushes the aircraft's tail downward, tilting the nose upward. The change in angle causes the wings to generate greater lift, ultimately allowing the plane to break free from the ground and ascend into the sky. Lift is the key force that enables an aircraft to fly. While we often think of it as just an upward push from the wings, the science behind lift is more intricate. Two main factors contribute to its creation. Number 1. Angle of attack. The angle of attack refers to the angle between the wing's leading edge and the oncoming airflow. As the wing tilts upward, it deflects air downward. According to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This means that as the wing pushes air down, the air pushes back up on the wing, generating lift. Number 2. Pressure difference. Another crucial factor in lift generation is the pressure differential between the top and bottom surfaces of the wing. According to Bernoulli's principle, faster moving air creates lower pressure. The curved upper surface of the wing forces air to move faster, reducing pressure above the wing while maintaining high pressure beneath it. This pressure difference creates an upward force, lifting the plane. An easy way to observe this effect is with a hairdryer and a balloon. When the hairdryer blows air upwards, the balloon stays afloat in the moving air. If the hairdryer is tilted, the balloon shifts but remains suspended. This demonstrates how fast-moving air creates lower pressure, keeping the balloon stable within the airflow. You may have noticed airplanes extending their flaps during takeoff and landing. These flaps increase the surface area and curvature of the wing, enhancing lift. This adjustment is particularly useful when the aircraft is traveling at lower speeds, such as during takeoff and landing. However, not all wings are designed the same. Just like animals adapt to different environments, aircraft wings are optimized for specific purposes. Fighter jets have relatively flat wings with minimal curvature, allowing for high-speed maneuvers and predictable handling. Hawks have slender wings suited for rapid, agile flight. Albatrosses, which are known for their ability to glide vast distances without flapping, have broader wings that generate greater lift, conserving energy on long journeys. Bringing it all together, the Airbus A380 despite its enormous size and weight, relies on these principles to take off smoothly and transport passengers across the globe. The science of flight is truly remarkable, and understanding how these massive machines soar through the sky makes it even more fascinating. Be sure to subscribe for more interesting discussions. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. See you next time.